Well, this is the morning garden, and I'm out here, beautiful day. It's winter. What can you say? Um, you can see right here, I'm pouring this black strap molasses over these plants, just testing out a theory. Someone gave me some good information, food forest permaculture, and I'm just testing it. You know, see how it works here in this zone. That's called. What am I pouring this on? There we go. I'm almost empty, so I hope I have enough because I don't want to have to go refill it. Um, there we go. Just pouring it. Just definitely. And this is black strap molasses, folks. If I run out, I guess I can use other sugars, but I like to use a natural sugar. See how that works. Okay. This is another one I put in place, location, but they haven't appeared yet. Um, Had a lot of rain about 2 days ago, so they should be jumping out of the ground in another day or two. All right. Morning gardener using black strap molasses or black molasses. I still have some in the container. I think I'll make another container. But that's what we're doing here. We got all this biomass on the ground. That's where I grew my corn at this year. All up in here is all weeds and everything. I mean, look at all this pile here. And that will make up a great bit of food for my soil. There's some more right here where the, what do they call this stuff? Okra is going to fall. And I got some more seeds here. You can see that. The seeds. I better get them today before they drop. Then you won't be able to find them. So you got those two and this one here that's already dropping. So that's how you do it, folks. You collect your seeds, you grow some of your food, and these are all test crops here. That's all they are. I started them really late this year, so we'll see what happens. But so far we got kale coming in, and up there, you know, and on the other side collard greens and everything. So it should be a good crop.